Original bricks, hardwood floors, crown molding, nooks, and crannies. It's assumed the older or historic homes only attract old buyers. But should one ever assume? I'm Char, co-owner of Gray Construction and Design, an interior designer based along the majestic Wasatch Front of Salt Lake City, Utah. Over the years, I have worked with clients across the Utah Valley to bring new life and modern-day conveniences to their older homes, or in some cases, historic homes. And older is far from what I would use to describe the age of the majority of people I know who are living in these types of homes. Well, of course, the silent generation and baby boomers do make up a big percentage of old home residents and my clientele. So does Generation X and even millennials. But I digress. Age has no limits, and neither does your home. So if you're one who has an appreciation for these long-standing gems like me, you'll agree that nothing beats the character and charm that comes along with them. Whether it's the location, the family-friendly aspects, or the fact that your property has a high chance of holding up well in terms of value, even during a downturn, why wouldn't you want to live in a well-constructed home that loves you back? Now, of course, to get love, you've got to give it, and there's no sugarcoating that an old home requires some tender, loving care. A common discomfort that many of my clients experience is the lack of an open concept floor plan, something a lot of people desire, but one thing old homes just weren't built with. Rooms are typically closed off and don't lend themselves to invite large family gatherings. Storage can also be an issue, even if you try your best to organize. Although the biggest frustration of them all is where to begin the process of remodeling to make your space fit your needs, while also preserving the beautiful architecture and charm of your old home. Remodeling can be stressful, pricey, and time-consuming, but having a designer will save you. Now you might be wondering why hire me as your designer, but I myself live in an older home too and have been in your shoes. I have remodeled my 72-year-old home from top to bottom, inside out, making it functional for my family's modern-day living, but also paying close attention to uphold the character and charm that makes an older home stand on its own. Your home should be your sanctuary, a place where you can put your feet up and feel comfortable any day of the week. My job as a designer is to make your space functional and beautiful while fitting your wants, needs, budget, and timeline. I like to meet with my clients in their space to discuss their personal style, likes, and dislikes. I like to see how my client and their family move in each space and what its main purpose is. Is this the room where your biggest thoughts come to mind? Is it the kids' go-to space for imagination and play? Or is it the quiet and peaceful room to rest your head when the day is done? From furniture placement and lighting to fabric color and texture, I pay attention to every detail. I think creatively and spatially and help my clients get a sense for the overall picture. I'm happy when I'm immersed in a project and see it come to life. I always tell my clients to avoid trends and have a sense of your own personal style. Trends are fleeting, and it's an especially terrible idea to follow them when you're remodeling an old house. Rather, know thy house and honor its unique style and personality. I know revamping your old home can seem daunting, but I am your resource center. Not only do I have experience and knowledge, but I also have access to an endless variety of products and textiles that are not available to the general public. The world of home improvement is one I know and live well, thanks to the other half of Gray Construction and Design, my husband, Sean Gray. With an architect, contractor, electricians, and plumbers on our team, there is no room or dream too small to make your reality. If your need is to take a room down to the blueprints, we work together to create a layout that meets both your logistical, functional requirements, as well as design preferences. Say goodbye to that empty room that your now adult child just moved out of, that small space that doesn't fit your storage needs, that couch that has been well loved for over a decade, and hello to a new beginning with plenty of possibilities. To whatever extent your redesign may be, remember, you are part of a bigger story. You are a piece of your home's history.